I'm just I can fake burp anyway. I don't need to.
Have you started it?
Right, let Chelsea introduces it.
Oh, have you started it? Filming?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Belching contest number... Oh, thanks! Belching contest number 2. This time with
thanks.
Jenny.
Say hi.
As well as Miranda.
Hi.
Right, who's going... Are you belching first?
I haven't drank as much as we have.
Okay.
Hurry up! Yes, slow-mo.
Hang on, because I can drink loads and then I'll belch straight away.
You can only drink to this much. Those weren't very yummy.
They're cheap, nasty ones, aren't they?
Hurry on! Don't you touch that, Jenny. Okay, yeah, you're pretty much done.
Okay, I think I drank a bit more. Actually, no, oh my god, that's perfect. Right.
Clap, clap, clap. That was a good one.
Right.
Okay.
Right, that was...
Well, you go first.
Alright. You're both cheating! You're both drinking more! You can't drink more! I drank as much as
How am I
you!
supposed to bet?
You should... Right, no, fine, you can drink. I'm gonna drink some more in a minute then. I have an itchy ear.
I'm gonna get annihilated by Jenny.
Jenny, you do realise this is going on YouTube and Bieber.
Oh god, I can't even get one now. Jenny, you've shown me up. Looks like a person. I think you just did.
I feel another one coming on, hang on. Right. I'm gonna have to drink a bit more.
Now you just shush.
Oh, burp the alphabet, burp the alphabet.
That's all she knows from the
I can't
alphabet.
know anymore.
A and B.
Yeah, she, that's French one. Element, O, P, Q, S, U, V.
Oh, I can't even
Z,
bet.
Z, the alphabet comes in.
I think it's
Hang on, I've got to do something. Yeah! That was a good one. That was good for me.
Oh, I'm doing it Chelsea today.
I did quite a crappy one. No, it's because I'm not...
promise I won't spoil your sunshine now.
Sunshine?
By the way.
I can feel another one coming on, but don't worry, I won't film it.
He's got like 10 brewing here. Hurry up.
Oh, I need a pee now.
I went in the disabled toilet. Man, they must use a lot of nappies.
You what, Jack?
Nappies or sanitary towels or something, because it's like...
There's
ass bins in there. Like, whoa.
Yeah, well, don't forget, Jen, some disabled people are disabled from hip down, so they probably can't control the bladder. So they will have, like, incontinence. No.
Jenny, it's not very nice.
It's not funny.
I can't even remember.
They have like incontinence towels, won't they? Because I mean, not all of them have. It's just.
Oh yeah,
You know,
serious
it's just
conversation here.
people from the leg down probably won't have this.
There
That wasn't a burp. That was you going.
was a little one in there.
Jenny, is it your turn?
No, it's not.
Still Miranda, you still.
Right.
Right, let's go.
Oh, it's all gone.
No pressure, no pressure.
Abitiducci.
Abacete. No.
That shit,
Abacete.
Chelsea. That
Oh.
was bullshit.
Day. So it is day.
You believe me,
Abacete. That was a good one. Beast. Beast.
Wait, like that. Right. Like that.
Oh.
Beast.
Don't go right up to my face. I don't want my camera broken. Thank you. Hang on.
Jenny,
Oh.
reply. I'm doing a shitey one today.
Another one came out there. Hang on. You're out. You want a match? You want a battle, Jen? Do you want a battle? You got a battle.
Okay. Oh! Both hands, Jenny did it. That's fun. Two for the price of one. You beat that, Chelsea.
No, she.
Don't try and cover it it up, Jenny. We know what you were doing.
Oh yes. Right. I'm gonna have
Tough
to.
competition.
Hello. Okay, that's my turn.
Alright, Miranda's turn. I'm gonna have to go for a pee in a minute.
Yeah, me too. Jenny, you have to go to the bathroom.
Oh, this has been going for 5 minutes. No fucking way. Belching contests are fun. Oh, Jenny, that looked really. Are you going? She was going like this on a bottle, yeah, like. Hang
Yeah,
on.
don't worry, I can see that.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna have nightmares.
What? Bottle rape.
Sunflower rape.
Oh. She did it again. Jennifer Thomas.